Hello, welcome to Accurate Physics. Do you know what is the most important one sentence in physics and even all of the sciences, even in philosophy? You might be thinking about it could be Newton's laws of motion, or Newton's laws of gravitation, or Maxwell's equation of electromagnetism, or Darwin's theory of origin of species, or something else. If you are thinking that, that is wrong. The most important one sentence that contains all the informations, and if somebody is little intelligence, it could be possible to develop all the theories in physics, or we could understand about this nature is this. That one sentence is all things made from atoms. The tiny particles goes around in perpetual motion and the heavier particles remains at the center. While they are closer, they repel. When they are farther away, they attract. This is the most important one sentence that we could pass from one generation to another generation if somehow in some cataclysm all other informations are lost, and this one sentence we could be able to pass to the next generation. They could develop all of the sciences that we have today.